Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 5 hidden ways to increase your sales online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the 5 hidden ways to increase your sales online. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to use video marketing more. The reason you want to do this is because video is the way that the internet is going right now. There have been a million different studies that have been confirming this, that the more time the internet has been around, the more time people are actually watching video content. And I've said this, like Instagram is trying to go video, Facebook is doing the same thing. And the reason this is because written content and photos cannot compete with video content. So you really have to make sure that you use video marketing a lot more, whether you have a YouTube channel, whether you're creating ads on Facebook, whether you're doing anything else, you need to use video marketing more. And that's even if you have a blog. If you want to send people to that blog, make sure that you're using video content. Now, I know that a lot of you don't want to show your faces, you don't have to in certain places, but remember that most people who started online had so much trouble creating their first piece of content, and I was probably one of the worst ones, but I've heard some stories of some people that had a lot of trouble. For me, it was like I struggled to even make a video, to even have some words come out of my mouth as soon as I turned the camera on. Some other people needed to have some drinks. I know of one person that did that. And you know, there's a million different stories of people who had trouble as soon as they turned on the camera. But it really becomes more and more natural, and that's a skill that if you have it, then it's just going to become a lot easier and actually become quite fun. I have fun filming my videos, and that's something that I didn't think that was possible when I first started, because I had it was horrible for me and terrifying for me to film myself at first. Now I really enjoy making these videos. So you really need to get over that fear, and if you really don't want to show your face for other reasons, it's possible to do so. I've made videos about this, of how you can create video content and not show your face, but it's actually quite good if you can show your face. So the second thing is you want to optimize your email marketing. And what I mean by that is you're going to have a sales funnel. So if you don't have a sales funnel, that's something that you really need. So I'm going to go over this real quick before I go into email marketing. But you need to have a funnel where people first find out about you, which could be your YouTube channel, which could be your blog, and then you're going to send them through a sales funnel. So the very first part is going to be people entering their name and email to get something from you, and then you're going to help them. So if you don't have that, it's crucial that you actually build it. So the best way to do that is to use Builderall. I have the link in the description to join my team and actually make this happen. So if you don't have that, you really need to make sure that you do, because it's going to help you it's not even comparable to anything. If you don't have it, you're not making money. Basically, that's the point. So you need to have this. Now, obviously, Builderall is not the only one, but it is the cheapest one and the most complete one, because it's not just a funnel builder, but also uses email marketing and helps you build an email marketing content. So that was the second step that I was about to talk about, is having email marketing content. So What I mean by that is you're going to send out automatic emails for a period of time. My email sequence goes on for 7 days. Yours could be 10, could be 15, could be 4. It really depends. Some people go on for like 200 days. It really depends on what you want to do, but you need to have email marketing content. What you're going to send out on these emails is helping out people, give them more value, and just helping them out in general, but also you want to send it to your affiliate marketing offer. And maybe if you're not doing affiliate marketing, it also works, but this channel is mostly about affiliate marketing, so you really want to send them to an offer, but an offer that's actually going to help them. Now, the key to having this work is to always change it up, make it better, because so many people just do it once and then it's done, they never change it. You want to constantly improve it, see what's working, see what's not, and just keep on building up from that. Because people will most likely not buy the first time round, so that's why you want to send them over and over and over again to that email sequence, or that offer I should say. So the third thing is kind of what we've been talking about since the beginning of this video, is you want to pre-frame someone by giving them value. What I mean by pre-framing people is people will most likely make the decision of buying before they even sign up to your email list. Maybe they'll decide they don't want to buy, maybe they'll decide to buy, and your email sequence will just help them, push that little more, have that, conversion, having a better conversion rate. But most people will decide before they actually, enter the email. So the best way is to actually make them want to do that before they actually click on it. And the best way to do that is to pre-frame people by helping them out, by giving them value. If you give people value, you're already helping them out. And once you have an offer, people will most likely buy from you because you haven't been just trying to sell them all the time. I don't always try to sell in these videos. I just try to give you as much value as possible. I do mention my affiliate product, but that's usually to give you an example or tell you what you need to actually get better. So you really need to pre-frame people by giving more value, and that's whether you have a YouTube channel, whether you have an ad, whether you have, all sorts of different things. If you watch the best ads out there, the ones that convert the best, are just most likely are just giving value and, trying to get you to get to the next step, but most likely giving you value the first time round. So number 4 is you want to sell a recurring product, and I'm going to talk about my product again because that's a great example. So Builderall is a recurring product. What this does is you get paid the first time someone buys the product, you get 100% commission, so it's $50 or $49. Once the person stays on, they pay every single month. They spend $50 every single month. So you get paid $50 the first month, but then you get a 30% commission every single time. And that's the way that you want to go, because that is going to help you build and build and build. Because if you sell a certain product, even if it's a high commission product, you can't progress. You're always going to sell the same amount, or if you make more sales, it's better, but you're always going to struggle to make that next sale and that next sale. But if you have a recurring product like Builderall, you will just get paid every single month, no matter what. And if you get as many sales the first month as you do the second month you will still get paid way more than you did in the first month. So that's a very important thing, is to find a recurring offer, because if you don't have that, it's going to be a lot harder. You'll be very stressed out of whether you can make a sale or not. But if you have a recurring product, it's not that big of a deal anymore, because no matter what, if you make as many sales as you did the last month, you still get paid way more. So it's just magic to me. But that exists in so many niches, you just have to check it out and that will work. So number 5 is to invest back in your business. So many people just take the money and that's it. I invest in courses. I go to masterminds, mostly online, but I go to masterminds. I take courses. I reinvest, like I pay for Builderall myself. Nobody pays it for me, obviously. And that's, Builderall, you just have to use it even if you're not making money, but you just have to invest in yourself. Maybe it's getting a better mic, getting a better, all sorts of different things. Maybe better lighting. Right now it's sunny, but when it's not sunny, I use some light because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see me as well. So that's very important. Always invest back in yourself and your business. Learn things. Spend some time on YouTube learning videos, which you're doing now, but you also have to pay for, different courses maybe, or, different software that you need. If you have Builderall, you have basically any software that you need on that, but, all sorts of different things that you actually need. So just invest back in your business instead of taking the money back, because if you just take the money away and spend it on different things, then you'll most likely not make very much money. But if you invest back in yourself, you'll get way more money, and then you'll be able to spend your money on some things that you just want because you like them. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.